Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you create templates on CapCut. So let's get right onto it. So on your CapCut app, once opening it, you just have to tap on the template here, and all you need to do here is just tap on this creator, click here to apply. They want to be a CapCut creator, tap on that, and in here, to be able to create templates on CapCut, you need to be able to be a CapCut creator. So you just need to read all of this and apply with it. So just click here to apply like that, and you just fill out all of this once. After filling up all of this, once you're done with the video, for example, once you're done editing your video, you will be then greeted with this one once you are done exporting it. So let's go over to the screenshot right there. So like that. Once done with the exporting, you will be greeted with this one, post as template. Once you are already a CapCut creator, keep in mind guys that you need to qualify for the requirements on the CapCut creator to be able to be create a CapCut template. So once done with editing the CapCut video, for example, you will be then greeted by that, and all you need to do is tap on post as template and you should be good to go guys. So okay, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.